Your driving app shows you a big number at the end of the night. What it never shows you is what that number cost: the gas, the tires, and the miles you drove for free between orders. This is the workbook that tells you what you really keep. Gross is the bait. Net is the truth. Two drivers can gross the same $140 and keep wildly different amounts because one of them drove twice the miles. Count the car, and the busy night and the paying night stop being the same night. It starts with one number you set once: what a mile really cost your car. Gas, maintenance, and the depreciation most drivers forget become your operating cost per mile. Right beside it sits the year's IRS mileage rate for your taxes. Two numbers, two jobs, and the workbook keeps them straight. Then you just log each shift: the app, your hours, your pay, and your miles. The shift log does the rest. It subtracts what the car cost from what you earned and shows your real net dollars per hour, not the gross the apps advertise. What actually landed in your pocket. Every business mile you drive is money at tax time. The standard mileage deduction comes straight off the income you're taxed on, but it only exists if you log the miles. Your shift miles roll into an audit-ready mileage log automatically, and it shows you the deduction you've earned growing as you drive. The costs outside the car, tolls, parking, your phone, your supplies, stack on top of that mileage deduction. Gas and maintenance are already inside it. The expenses tab flags every category for you so you claim what you can, don't double count what you can't, and walk into tax time already sorted. And the dashboard pulls it all together. It ranks every app you drive on net dollars per hour. So the one that pays the most gross and the one that actually pays you best sort themselves out. Then it totals your deduction and your expenses, ready for tax time. A mileage app charges you every month to rent your own numbers. This is a workbook you buy once and keep in Excel, Google Sheets, or LibreOffice, with a one-click Google Sheets copy and 4 PDF guides. Own your numbers, don't rent them. Find it at ardentworkshop.com.